The way to Dad's heart is through his stomach. We know this, we know this. If you don't feel like firing up the grill this weekend though, this deep dish pie is a dinner that Dad will totally approve of, loaded with Italian sausage and 3 kinds of cheeses. It's the perfect gesture to celebrate your guy. Heidi VanValkenburg with Rhodes Bake-N-Serv joins me in our kitchen to share. What will Dad love about this pie the most?
What's not to love?
What's
right?
not to love?
First of all, we're waiting on him hands and foot year round, and then we celebrate him on another day, right? Just saying.
Do you have any other strong opinions about that?
No, just saying.
Okay.
No, so I was asked as soon as I came into studio today, well, where's the Rhodes in all of this? It's in your crust.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're gonna top it, we're gonna put it on the bottom, and we're gonna put it on the top. And then in the middle is where we're gonna put this wonderful filling.
You used the rolls?
I did.
Oh.
I used 9 of these, and it takes 6 for the bottom in a 9x9 pan.
So let it thaw and then just combine and roll it out?
Yes, and this is one of those times you wanna let it go crazy.
Fantastic.
And so I did 9 here, I did 3 here.
Okay.
And I rolled them out, and we just have this beautiful. We're gonna spray this pan right here.
So thicker on the bottom, that's the deep dish.
That's the deep dish. And I know I said pie, and they might be a little bit disappointed because it's savory, but you know, get on our website and you can find one that's sweet too.
I don't think anyone's gonna be disappointed with 3 cheeses and sausage.
I know. Okay, so I know, right?
Yeah.
3 cheeses. But they can do the anytime cinnamon rolls for their dad too.
Always
or
a crowd
the traditional,
favorite.
that rise.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put this down in the bottom of this pan. I'm gonna move it forward. And this is gonna be the bottom. And you wanna kind of lift this up along. And this is, like I said, one of those times just let this go crazy. Because the warmer the dough is and you just roll it out, the easier it is to fill in the bottom of this pan. Okay, in this pan right here that I've been cooking, all right, we have our Italian sausage. I did mild, but you can do a little bit of a nip if you'd like to.
Okay.
Okay, and then I've added my 3 cheeses, okay?
I like how Heidi says, I did mild, never the mind what the dads in my life like, but I'm going mild.
Well, I was feeding the masses.
Right, and mild is a better kind of common denominator. Yeah.
And these are not common cheeses, I think, that people usually have. You've got your ricotta, okay? How do you say that? Roma? Say it for me.
I don't know, what is, I don't know what we're saying.
How do you
Romano?
say it? Romano, thank you.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you, Brooke.
This was like a fun game of charades.
I'm sorry.
No one was moving, but someone was talking Romano. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry.
I practiced
I'm
that.
sorry I wasn't there for you.
I practiced this in the road kitchen, and I still messed up.
I try to be there for you.
And mozzarella, which I can say, okay?
Mozzarella.
Okay, there you go. That's even better. And then fresh herbs, okay? So we've got our basil, our rosemary.
Ooh,
that's
Heidi.
in there. And I want some minced garlic in there.
Yum.
And the recipe says that you can do a little bit of salt and pepper. I didn't think it needed it, but you can.
Tons of flavor going on. My mouth is watering. That sounds delicious.
So if you can't say the names of the cheese, maybe buy a different cheese, okay? And I cooked that all in there, but I want the sausage cooked first, and then I'm gonna add all those cheeses and melt it down.
Okay.
And let's not forget a little bit of vegetable in there. I've got my spinach.
Oh, sure.
The recipe on our website says a bag of spinach. Hello, how much spinach does that mean? I guess it depends on how much you want. Because I always buy the big ones, you know, that are a lot, so I just kind of guess.
I'm so glad you finished that word hello. I wasn't sure exactly where you were going when we started. Okay.
I did get that word right, Brooke. Okay?
I love you.
I want to keep my job. Okay. So I'm just going to fill this in, and then that other crust that I have made, I'm going to put that over the top of this. And then I'm gonna hand you this. When I get that on there, we're gonna make some slits on the top of this so that it will work out just really well. You want to make sure you seal the edges with the 2 crusts together. Then you can immediately put this in an oven that's preheated to 350 degrees.
Okay.
And then it's gonna bake 55 to 60 minutes, which is a long time.
Yeah.
So it will get way too brown on top unless you cover that halfway through, like 30 minutes.
So uncover for the first half, cover for the second.
Yes, and you wanna make sure. And just for the sake of time, I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna put this over the top.
I am totally making this. This looks and smells delicious.
And then you can just see how well that just fits over the top. And so, and now you give me some little venting there, since you need to vent today.
How'd you know?
I don't know.
It's like therapy.
You said you were a little grumpy, and I didn't see it. But anyway.
Say that. Did I say that? Oh, I said pregnant, sick, and a little cranky. I did.
You did say it? Okay.
I did.
So, and then you just that, so it can breathe.
Nice.
350. Cover it halfway through.
Okay.
Okay, and bake it. And then you would use all that filling. And then if that is not your jive, switch out the 3 cheeses, make it different ones.
Yeah.
Or go to our website. We have all kinds of recipe ideas that you can do that
I'm
you can
glad
come
you
with.
mentioned the website because I think people
Rhodes
when they
Bake-N-Serv.
RhodesBake-N-Serv.com. When they
Yes.
go to that website, they're going to be blown away at all you can
Yes.
do with
That's right.
the Rhodes dough that we love.
That's right. It'll be great.
All right, I want to say Happy Father's Day. That doesn't apply. But
It
thank
does
you,
not.
Thank you for
But
giving
without
us.
me, he wouldn't be a father.
There
you
go. This recipe will be linked for you as well on our website, studio5.ksl.com. We love you, Heidi. Thank you so much.
Thanks.